Hi, this is Jaya. In this video, we shall see what George Yule tells in his book The Study of Language in chapter 1, The Origins of Language. In this chapter, he discusses about the different sources of language formation, how language would have originated, and in that he talks about the physical adaptation, which is also one of the sources for human beings to develop language. Come, let's go and see what he says here. Here he says that the physical features also had helped human beings to develop speech compared to the other animals. Like if we are going to observe our ancestors, it was the human beings who started standing upright and walking on two legs compared to the other primitive animals. In the same way, there were certain physical differences between the skull of a gorilla and the skull of a Neanderthal man who lived about 60,000 years ago. And here it was found that the vocal tract of this Neanderthal man also had certain distinctions which would have helped him to produce certain consonant like sounds. And if we see about 35 years ago, when we go and see the fossilized skeletal structures, we find that those structures resemble those of the modern human beings. So 35 years ago itself, human beings would have started producing words and which would have later on developed into a language. And therefore 35,000 years ago itself, human beings had the capacity to speak. And we know that there are certain adaptations which happened in our physical features only would have helped this. And when we are going to see this in the other primitive creatures, we find that these features did not happen in them. And therefore they were not able to produce speech, but human beings had the capacity for speech. And when we see about the speech organs like teeth, lips, mouth, larynx and pharynx, we find that there are certain adaptations which helped human beings to develop language. For example, when we take human teeth are upright, not slanting outwards like the apes. And actually that is the reason why we are not able to rip or tear food out of a tree or an animal. But this teeth is helpful for grinding and chewing. And above that, it is because of the upright position of the human teeth, we are able to clearly pronounce the words F or V. In the same way, human lips are very intricate and therefore it is very flexible, and it helps the human beings to produce sounds like P or B. And the human mouth is also, compared to the other primitive creatures, is very small, therefore it can be opened and closed very fast. And the tongue is also smaller and thicker and muscular, and therefore a wide variety of sound can be produced by human beings. And above all, human beings have the capacity to close the airway through the nose and create more air pressure in the mouth, and thereby produce intricate sounds. So all these adaptations only would have helped human beings to produce sounds with different velocity and different shapes. And the next human speech organ is larynx, which is also called as the voice box because it contains the vocal cords or the vocal folds. And we find that the position of this voice box is also different when compared to the other primitive creatures like monkeys. It may be because human beings started walking upright. The position of the head had come directly above the spinal column, and thereby the larynx dropped to a lower position and created a longer cavity called the pharynx, which is above the vocal fold. And that is why we are able to produce sounds which have more clarity compared to the other primitive creatures. But one unfortunate consequence of this development is that human beings while eating food can get choked, and that may even lead to death. Whereas monkeys, though they also produce certain sounds or social calls, they do not have the capacity to speak, but their food will not get stuck in the pipe. But though because of this evolutionary terms, human beings have a big advantage of using the vocal power. They have the disadvantage of getting the food choking to death. And this is what George Yule tells in this subject. If you have anything more to add on to what I've said, please write it in the comment box. Like the video, share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.